Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these Seagate's 20TB Sata hard drive. These pull a 6 GB 7200 RPM. This is a 2-pack set. Alright, so right here we have our Sata external hard drives. This is a 2-pack set, so you do get a total of 80 terabyte. Each one of these discs is 20 terabyte. So this is a highly reliable performance with enhanced caching, making the logical choice for cloud data and storaging. The maximized total cost of ownership, which saves a lot on this pack right here. So this one I did get a 2-pack. They do sell these separately, but I wanted to go with a 2-pack because I needed more storage drive. This one here is a 7200 RPM hard drive rotational speed. So these are super fast hard drives. You can use these for inside your computer tower, or you can use these as an external hard drive. What I did was I purchased an enclosure that had 5 ports, so I can use several of these ones. This is what the bottom looks like. So you have screws on the bottom as well as on the side. So what I did was with my enclosure, I actually put the screws on the bottom. So this is a very nice hard drive. If you're looking for a hard drive set, I would highly recommend these ones. I like these ones so much. I actually purchased another 2 set of these. So this will give me about 80 terabytes. My enclosure does hold up to 100 terabytes, but this is a great deal, and they are really nice hard drives and they are super fast.